How to use Zelle with PNC Bank. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So in order to use Zelle with PNC Bank, you just want to enroll the PNC mobile app. So what you need is open the PNC mobile app, type in your information, your credentials, and once logged into your account, you'll then be directed to the home page. So from the home page, you click on to send money with Zelle on the accounts hub. When you do that, you just want to follow the prompt to read terms and conditions and enroll your US mobile number or email address that's associated with your PNC mobile banking app. Then you would just want to select the PNC account you want to use for Zelle payment. After which, you just want to tap on the send section and enter the exact amount and confirm it and that's how you should be able to use Zelle with PNC Bank. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.